Hi children, here comes your first lesson. Yesterday I started you teaching the lesson The Snake and the Mirror. Okay, we completed the whole page description yesterday. By the end of the yesterday, the story is like this children. The man, that is narrator, sitting in front of the mirror and started reading the book children. And here comes the continuation of your yesterday's story. And if you want to see the previous story, you can see my video which I posted yesterday. And here comes your continuation children. One feels tempted to look into the mirror when it is near. Okay, not only narrator, even we feel the same thing when the mirror is very near to us. We will get attracted to the mirror and we want to see our own reflection in the mirror. Isn't it or not children? Yes, in the same way he also, I took a look. Who took a look here? Narrator also looked his reflection in the mirror. In those days I was a great admirer of beauty and believed in making myself look handsome. Okay, in those days means whenever he was teaching this story, he became old. In those days means when he was young, he was a great admirer, great lover of beauty. చాలంగా అందంగా ఉండడానికి ఇష్టపడేవాడు అనమాట. ఓకే, అండ్ ఐ బిలీవ్ in making myself look handsome. He always used to think some alternatives to look handsome in front of others. Okay, isn't it? And I was unmarried and was a doctor. Okay, why he wants to be look so handsome? Because he was not yet married, it seems. Okay, and he was also a doctor. You can see doctors in nowadays in our society, how they will be children. They will be very handsome and they will be clean shave and they will be very neat. Isn't it or not? In the same way he has to maintain the same thing. Okay, I felt I had to make my presence felt. Okay, నేను అక్కడ ఉన్నాను, for example he is in the group, then everybody wants to see him only. Okay, that means he has to make his presence felt over there. Okay, I pick up the comb and ran into through my hair and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat again. I heard that sound from above. Okay, what happened here? In front of the mirror you can see the comb. He took that comb and he ran into the, okay, go on, he started combing his hair and he adjusted the parting means what children? Here papeda antar kada, he adjusted it to the straight and neat. And again I heard that sound from the above. Okay, already in the first page I said he is sharing his room with the rats. He heard that sound. It is very familiar one, I already said you yesterday. Okay, in the same way when he was combing his hair, what happened? The sound came again from the above, it seems. Okay, I took a close look at my face in the mirror. Okay, even though the sound is coming, he already know it is familiar one. Then he started to go close to the mirror and he again observed his face in the mirror. Okay, I made an important decision. I would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. Okay, after seeing his reflection in the mirror, he started to take some decisions to look more handsome, it seems. So what is the decisions? Okay, what are the decisions? He thought that to shave daily and to grow mustache అంటే మీసాలు, సన్నగా మీసాలు పెంచాలని he started to decide himself. Okay, I was after all a bachelor and a doctor. మళ్ళీ ఏమనుకుంటున్నాడు? ఓకే, నేను బ్యాచిలర్ని, నేను మళ్ళీ డాక్టర్ని కూడా అందులో. ఓకే, దట్స్ వై ఐ హ్యాస్ టు బీ వెరీ నీట్ అండ్ హ్యాండ్సమ్ అనుకున్నాడు అనమాట. దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ హియర్? ఐ లుక్డ్ ఇన్ టు ద మిర్రర్ అండ్ స్మైల్డ్. ఓకే, వెన్ ఎవర్ వీ లుక్ వెరీ హ్యాండ్సమ్, ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఆన్ సీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద మిర్రర్, వీ స్టార్ట్ స్మైలింగ్ అండ్ డూయింగ్ సమ్ సిల్లీ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ద mirror. Isn't it or not? In the same way he also started to smile himself. Okay, it was an attractive smile. Okay, whenever he started smiling by looking his reflection, he said to himself that okay, my smile is so cute. Okay, I made another earth shaking decision. Earth shaking decision means what children? Here earth shaking decision means important decision. Okay, other than two things, shaving చేసుకోవాలనుకున్నాడు, ఇంకా సన్నగా మీసాలు పెంచాలనుకున్నాడు. More than that he made one more important decision. It seems I would always keep that attractive smile on my face. What he decided, what is the important decision? He always used to maintain, okay, ఒక అట్రాక్టివ్ స్మైల్ తన ఫేస్లో ఎప్పటికీ ఉండాలనేసి he started to make the important decision. Okay, to look more handsome. ఎందుకు? okay, in order to look more handsome he decided to go on smiling to keep the attractive smile on his face. Okay children, then I was after all a bachelor and doctor to ఆన్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ ఎట్. మళ్ళీ అనుకుంటున్నాడు, అమ్మో నేను బ్యాచిలర్ని, అందులో డాక్టర్ని, దెన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు మెయింటైన్ సచ్ క్యూట్ స్మైల్ ఆన్ మై ఫేస్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ అని అనుకున్నాడు అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ అగైన్ కేమ్ దట్ నాయిస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద అబౌవ్ వెన్ హీ వాజ్ స్టార్టెడ్ టు స్మైల్ అండ్ వెన్ హీ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ ద డెసిషన్స్ అగైన్. దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, అగైన్ హీ హర్డ్ ద నాయిస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద అబౌవ్ ఇట్ సెమ్స్. Okay, I got up, lit a baby and paced up and down the room. Okay, he got up from his place, children, and he had a habit of a cigar and he started to light up and paced up. Paced up means slowly we will walk here and there, no? Okay, like rounds. Okay, up and down means from the starting of the door to the end of this room, he started moving slowly in the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. Okay, whenever he was walking here and there, one more thought he came to his mind, it seems. Okay, I would marry. Okay, నేను మ్యారీ చేసుకోవాలి. Then who he has to marry? See here, he is saying something. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. Okay, to whom he has to marry? He is thinking to marry a woman, okay, who is a doctor and who should has a plenty of money and also a good మెడికల్ ప్రాక్టీస్, చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డాక్టర్ అయి ఉండాలి అనుకుంటున్నాడు అనమాట. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ హీ వాజ్ సేయింగ్, షీ హ్యాడ్ టు బీ వెరీ ఫ్యాట్. ఓకే, షీ ఈస్ టు బీ ఫ్యాట్ అంట చిల్డ్రన్, చాలా లావుగా ఉండాలంట. ఫర్ ఏ వ్యాలిడ్ రీజన్. ఫర్ ఎ వ్యాలిడ్ రీజన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఒక ఎగ్జాక్ట్ రీజన్ ఉందంట, తను ఫ్యాట్గానే ఎందుకు ఉండాలి అని చెప్పేసి. ఓకే, హియర్ కమ్స్ ద రీజన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వీ విల్ సీ. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఐ మేడ్ some silly mistake and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. Okay, for example, if he does any mistake, okay, in the home or somewhere, okay, if she tries to catch, okay, లావుగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు పరిగెత్తలేరు కదమ్మా. Okay, that's the reason. If she was very fat, no, he can run away. If he does any mistake also, he will not catch it by her. That's the reason he was thinking that her wife should be very fat. Okay, children. Okay, now here comes the continuation. With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. Okay, he is going on thinking the situation about her wife and how she has to be, okay, in his mind, and he started to sit again in the chair in front of the table. And then there was no more sounds from the above. Okay, when he sat on the chair again, he didn't listen any sound from the above, it seems. Okay, suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Okay, whenever he's sitting on the chair and he heard a sound, okay, as if the tube was fell down on the ground. Okay, surely nothing to worry about it. Okay, he was thinking that, okay, not to be worried about that sound, and he started looking into the mirror again. Okay, even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. Okay, even though he was saying to himself that not to worry, and he again thought to look around and check once what is there, okay, at the back of him. No sooner had I turned then a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. Okay, okay, no sooner had means what, simultaneously, both when he was turning back and at the same time the snake also wriggled, ante paakad anamata. Okay, paakuntu it came up to the chair and he landed on his shoulder, it seems. The snake landing on me and my turning were simultaneously. Simultaneous means at a time. తను తిరగడము, ఆ స్నేక్ తన మీద ల్యాండ్ అవ్వడము, రెండు ఎట్ ఏ టైమ్గా జరిగిందనమాట. దట్స్ వాట్ ద స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ యువర్ సెకండ్ పేజ్, చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ కంటిన్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద థర్డ్ పేజ్. ఓకే, ఐ డిడెంట్ జంప్. హూ డిడెంట్ జంప్ హియర్? ఓకే, నరేటర్ డిడెంట్ జంప్ and I didn't tremble. Okay, tremble means he didn't move at all. Okay, I didn't cry out, shout kuda cheyaledanta. Okay, there was no time to do any such things. Okay, that what children, the snake is on him now. Okay, he can't do any such type of actions. If you do such type of actions, it will come and it will come and struck you. Okay, the snake slithered along my shoulder and coiled around my left arm above the elbow. Okay, what happened? The snake slitted means paakuntu from where it has came my shoulder and coiled around my left arm chuttu elbow variki chuttukoni undanta. Okay, the hood was spread out and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. Okay, hood ante entamma padaga antaru kada, it is spread out. Okay, vippindanta. Then how much it is far away from his head? Only 3 to 4 inches. Assume that as if it was very near to you. How do you feel, children? Okay, you will be very scared, you will be shout. Okay, no, yes. Okay, it would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my బ్రీత్. ఓకే, తను అక్కడ బ్రీదింగ్ తీసుకున్నది కూడా తనకి గుర్తుకులేదంట. ఈ వాస్ ఇన్ దట్ స్కేర్ మూమెంట్. ఓకే, ఇట్ వుడ్ నాట్ బి కరెక్ట్ అంటే హీ కాంట్ సే దట్ వెదర్ ఐఎమ్ బ్రీదింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్, ఐఎమ్ హోల్డింగ్ మై బ్రీత్, హీ కాంట్ సే ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, హీ వాస్ టర్న్డ్. ఓకే, ఐ వాస్ టర్న్ టు స్టోన్ మీన్స్ రాక్ లాగా అయిపోయాడంట. ఓకే, బట్ మై మైండ్ వాస్ వెరీ యాక్టివ్. ఈవెన్ దో హిస్ బాడీ బికేమ్స్ stone, is in the form of stone, his mind is very active, it seems. The door opened into the darkness. The door was opened, it seems. He doesn't shut the door, and here what happened, you see, the room was surrounded by darkness. Okay, the room was totally dark. I already said the situation of the story is going to be happen at the night. Okay, in the light of the lamp I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. Okay, there is a lamp, I already said you, on the table. Okay, in front of the table he was sitting like a stone, as if the stone is having a flesh. Human body has a flesh, in the same way he is sitting like a stone with the flesh, he was saying. Okay, I felt then the great presence of the creator of the world and the universe. Okay, akkada కూర్చొని he used to think about the God. Okay, and God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like it. Okay, if I say something, if he doesn't like anything, he started to think like that. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా కోరుకుందాము అంటే తను ఏమైనా నచ్చింది ఇంకేమైనా కోరుకుంటే it will do other than that what he expected. Isn't it or not? I tried in my imagination to write a bright letters outside my little heart the words, oh God. Okay, from the imagination, he with his eyes are in his mind, he started writing oh God letters. Okay, through the assuming himself. Okay, in his mind there was some pain in my left arm. Okay, then the pain started. Why? Because the snake wriggled total left arm tightly. Isn't it or not? If you hold your hand very tightly, what will happen? You will get a pain. Okay, in the same way he also got some pain in the left arm. Okay, it was as if a thick leaden rod. Okay, here how it was wriggled. Okay, for example, a rod is fit for your total arm, then how it will be? Okay, there will be lot of pain. Isn't it or not? No, a rod made up of molten fire. Okay, rod ఏ కాకుండా బాగా కాల్చి మీకు చుట్టి పెడతలా ఉంటుంది. Okay, such a pain it seems was slowly but powerfully crushing my arm. Okay, మెత్తగా ఏం చేస్తుంది, బాగా గట్టిగా నొప్పి చాలా విపరీతంగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. when it was going on wriggling itself to the arm. Okay, the arm was beginning to be drained all of the strength. Okay, మెల్లగా what happened, it started to release the wriggliness and what I could do. Okay, all the strength is going away from him, it seems. What he has to do, there is no idea about that what he has to do. Okay, at my slightest moment the snake would strike me. Okay, strike me అంటే ఏంటి, కాటేస్తుంది అనమాట. కొంచెం మూవ్ చేసినా కూడా it will strike me. Death lurked 4 inches away. Suppose it struck me, what was the medicine I have to take? And there was no medicines in the room. I was but a poor, foolish and stupid doctor. I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. Okay, without the poison came into his body, he started thinking about if the snake has talked, which type of medicine he has to take, and he was thinking the further what steps he has to do in his mind. Okay, and he forgot his danger and he was thinking himself, okay, what I have to do, what I have to take the precautions. Okay, he is thinking himself and he started to laugh himself. Okay, ఐఎమ్ సో సిల్లీ టు థింక్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ అనేసి అనుకున్నాడంట. నెక్స్ట్, it seemed as if God appreciated that the snake turned its head, it looked into the mirror. When he was thinking all these things, then I think the God has appreciated. Tanu inta danger lo unna, he was thinking and smiling apart from his danger, isn't it or not? I think that God has appreciated for that. And then what happened? Then the snake turned its head. Snake tana వైపు నుంచి it started to turn అయిపోయిందనమాట. It looked into the mirror, where it started looking into the mirror and saw its own reflection. అక్కడ ఏం జరిగింది? రిఫ్లెక్షన్ని చూడడం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది. ఎవరి రిఫ్లెక్షన్? snake reflection. Okay, I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into the mirror. Okay, ఇంత సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా ఈ స్టార్టెడ్ థింకింగ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, ఇప్పటివరకు తను ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదంట. టిల్ నౌ హీ డిడ్ంట్ సా ఎనీ స్నేక్ దట్ ఇట్ వాస్ లుకింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద మిర్రర్. ఓకే, బట్ ఇట్ వాస్ సర్టెన్ దట్ ద స్నేక్ వాస్ లుకింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద మిర్రర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ ఎ థింగ్. ఓకే, విచ్ ద మిర్రర్, వేర్ ద snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? I started to think one more question. ఓకే, తన అందాన్ని తనే చూసుకోవడానికి ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ లుకింగ్ ఆర్ వాట్ అనుకుంటున్నాడు. వాజ్ ఇట్ ట్రయింగ్ టు మేక్ అన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డిసిషన్స్ అబౌట్ గ్రోయింగ్ ఏ మిస్టాచ్, ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఏ ఐ షాడో అండ్ మస్కరా, ఆర్ వేరింగ్ ఏ వెమెలియన్ స్పాట్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ ఫోర్ హెడ్. ఓకే, ఈ వాజ్ క్వైట్లీ జోకింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, ఆ స్నేక్ అందులో చూసుకుంటుంటే ఈ స్టార్టెడ్ టు థింక్ లైక్, అరే వై ఇట్ వాస్ లుకింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద మిర్రర్. ఓకే, ఆమె ఏమైనా అదేంటి స్నేక్ ఏమైనా మీసాలు పెంచుకోవాలనుకుంటుందా? ఓకే, వెదర్ టు అప్లై ఐ షాడో ఆర్ మస్కరా అప్లై చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నా, లేకపోతే వేరింగ్ ఏ వెమిలియన్ అంటే బ్యూటీ స్పాట్, పడగ దగ్గర ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ బొట్టు పెట్టుకుంటారు కదా, అలా ఇట్ వాస్ ట్రయింగ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ హర్ బాడీ ఆర్ వాట్ అనేసి అలా థింక్ చేస్తుందా ఏంటి అనేసి స్టార్టెడ్ to think all these questions when the snake was seeing into the mirror. Okay, then and tomorrow we'll discuss the continuation of the story, children. This is the end of your story. Then again, and today's task is go on reading the first lesson and write the important points whatever you observed and the meanings which are related to the first page and second page and third page, children. And this is the end of your today's lesson. Tomorrow I'll continue the remaining. Thank you, children.